Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother PE550D Embroidery Machine. Brother is a sewing machine brand that needs no introduction. The brand brings Disney's magic to you with the Brother PE550D Embroidery Machine. It is packed with numerous incredible features that make it easy to use. Both beginners and seasoned sewists can make the most of the embroidery machine as it has a friendly learning scope. Plus, it comes with an instructional DVD and bilingual user manual. Besides coming from a popular brand, the Brother PE550D tops our list because of its multiple distinguishing features. Its 4x4 embroidery field, grid sheet, and built-in alignment tools help you align your design and needle position for accurate placement on your fabric. Further, the embroidery machine comes with 125 built-in decorative designs that include 45 Disney designs. You also get 9 fonts, 6 in English and 3 in Japanese for personalization and monogramming. The Brother PE550D compares favorably with other embroidery machines on this list, like the Brother PE770. It has an ample embroidery area, a built-in automatic threader, and an additional editing feature that makes embroidery an easy and enjoyable task. The editing feature allows you to resize, move, mirror images, and rotate before getting started on your project. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brother Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE770 is an embroidery machine loved by so many people. Either you are looking for an embroidery machine for beginners or for more accomplished users. This model is a combination of the affordable price and high performance. The embroidery-only computerized machine is great for hobbyists and professionals. The device has 136 built-in decorative designs, including classic patterns, splendid florals, wonderful scrollwork, and cute compositions to embellish child's belongings. The PE770 provides 12 border styles and 10 frame patterns, ideal for home decor items in various styles. The embroidery area allows customizing t-shirts, decorative pillowcases, and kitchen curtains. For a lettering project, you can choose from 6 elegant fonts. With this machine, you can easily change your design for creating one-of-a-kind masterpieces. To download new decorative patterns or fonts to a built-in memory card, you can use USB memory stick. Extensive design editing includes size edits, making a mirror image, and rotation. Unfortunately, this model is discontinued, but still available online. The Brother company replaced the machine with a pricier one, the Brother PE800. The new model has +2 built-in designs, +5 lettering fonts, and color LCD display. The embroidery area remains the same 4 inches by 7 inches. Sewers admit that a color touchscreen makes the editing process easier. However, the difference between these two models is almost $300, which is not affordable for some budget-conscious buyers. At number 3, we have the Brother SC600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SC600 is a 2-in-1 combo machine, performing both sewing and embroidering. The SC600 comes with features that make embroidery easy and exciting. Built into this machine are 80 designs, including delicate scrollwork, classic quilt patterns, and fabulous florals. For monogramming and lettering, there are 6 elegant fonts. Accomplished sewers appreciate the variety of choice in sewing stitches. You can choose from 103 built-in sewing stitches, including auto-sized buttonholes, awesome decorative stitches, and 8 styles of one-step. The built-in USB port allows you to easily import custom design. Editing possibilities are mirroring, rotation, increasing or decreasing the size of your designs. Before stitching, you can see how your edited design looks like at the large LCD full-color touchscreen. Novices like automatic needle threading system that helps them to get started. The LED lit work area is comfortable for the eyes. The light is bright yet not annoying. The only downside of this machine is that the embroidery field is not large, 4 inches by 4 inches, which considerably limits the scale of your projects. However, this size is just perfect for embellishing hankies with monograms, children clothes with funny kids designs, and creating other unique small decor items. Included with the SC600 are a 25-year limited warranty, online technical support for the life of the product, and a free customer hotline. At number 2, we have the Bernina Burnette Chicago 7 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Bernina Burnette Chicago 7 is a 2-in-1 computerized sewing machine made by a famous Swiss company Bernina. Due to the Swiss machinery standards, the machine is top of the line when it comes to performance. Both beginners and professionals can use this model. Novices need 3 things for practice: straight stitch, zigzag stitch, and reverse mode. They also appreciate needle thread monitoring that makes embroidering much easier. If you are fully sure that embroidery is your passion, then you can choose Bernette Chicago 7, which has much more options than an average beginner needs. Advanced users enjoy high speed of stitching, up to 800 stitches per minute, which makes it possible to create more masterpieces in a shorter time. 100 patterns are available, including directs and utility stitches, decorative, cross, and quilt stitches. There are 2 styles of lettering, block and script. Thanks to this myriad of features, making wonderful patterns, frames, and monograms is really a pleasure. With a 0.2-inch stitch width, it is easy to sew decorative elements, to create applique and trimming. The embroidery area is large for a combo machine, 4.3 inches by 6.7. With it, you can embellish pillowcases, tablecloth, blankets, and curtains. We found that the black and white LCD display is wide and clear, and a text is easy to read. However, most of sewers do not like black and white screens because such displays do not show colors of a custom design, so you'll have to decide if it's important for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the APlus Janome Horizon MemoryCraft 9900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Janome MemoryCraft 9900 is a 2-in-1 sewing and embroidering machine built for creating one-of-a-kind crafts, gifts, and home decor. It was made by a company known for making high-quality products. This machine performs really fast stitching, cutwork, fabric cutting, heat transfer, and applique. It has 175 built-in embroidery designs, including intricate florals, classic quilt, holiday and kids designs, and many other fabulous compositions. For unique design lovers, there are powerful tools. The MemoryCraft 9900 has almost every editing function. It can resize, drag and drop, change the color of the image, zoom, flip, arc, duplicate, combine, trace, and so on. The device also supports lettering and monogramming with any of TrueType fonts. These fonts are the same as you use in your Mac OS or Windows PC. To create a brand new design, you can insert 3 characters and easily edit the TrueType font shape with a node editor. Before stitching, you can view your design on an LCD full-color touchscreen. The screen displays a bright and vivid image in 65,000 colors. The high-resolution LCD includes 5 bright LED lamps. The MC9900 has 2 large embroidery hoops, 5.5 inches by 5.5, and 6.7 inches by 7.9. This feature allows embellishing such things as curtains, dresses and t-shirts, blankets and tablecloths. It is also compatible with the free arm hoop FA10, a 1.6 inches by 4 inches. With smart on-screen editing and top-of-the-line stitch speed and quality, it is easy to get excellent results even for newbies. However, this artistic premium machine is a little bit pricey. It is recommended for more accomplished passionate sewers, who will use the feature-rich device for creating many stunning items. The MC9900 comes with a 25-year limited warranty. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.